Hey, good morning guys. Tush coming at you Saturday, June the 8th, and we're just coming up to 6:20 a.m. and we're on our way to a British car show, an all British car show this morning in Caledon, Ontario, and it's going to be hosted by the Headwaters British Car Club. So we're just doing a quick check of the TR3A. We're checking the fluids and we're packing. We got the chair out and some cleaning stuff and our electronics ready to go. So we'll probably leave around 8 o'clock or so. This show starts at 9 o'clock, so we'll be there probably till 2 or 3. So anyway, we'll do what we need to do to get the car ready to go and to get myself ready to go, and maybe we'll take some shots once we get there. Alright, looking forward to it. They went for less. It's a Sunbeam Alpine with a Capri 2.8 liter.
You know, to them that's just, you've ruined the car. That's not the car you hot rod and make big money on. That's the one where the aficionados can spit on your car because it's like, you have ruined it.
It's the same with me.
Oh yeah, really.
Alright, we're at the Caledon show. Beautiful Nova on the outside of the ropes here. Nice to have a couple of GT6s out.
Donation proceeds go to a hospice in Dufferin, a worthy cause. Thank you.
59 TR3A. Sunbeam Alpine with a 2.8 Ford Capri, Caledon 2.8 engine in it, conversion. '62 Austin. Couple MGBs. Spitfire. This looks that is a Spit 6 conversion. I thought it looked a little odd. Cool. That's got to be a lot of fun. '39 Anglia. Sorry, '59 Anglia. Modified. Wow. 61 Zephyr. Chrome bumper B. It's a 55 Daimler. Nice lines. Lotus Elan. 67. MGA. Beautiful color combination. T-Bird. 57. Duster. So usually this show is completely British, but now they've got British and classics. TR6. I believe that's russet brown. It's a 73. Jag. And another yellow Sunbeam Alpine. Future classic. That's a beauty. It's in my color. still arriving. It's a Singer. Not sure what year. Nice Tiger. It's a 53 Rolls Royce. Silver Dawn. Nice Healy. It's a 67 R3. Midget. '50 Standard Vanguard. Original 10,000 miles.
Double duty, so there's
'em. Okay, a few more later arrivals. B-type Jags. 74. It's a 70. TVR. '74 TR6. Newer Jags. '54 Daimler Conquest. A little Spitfire. More Jags rolling in.